Good morning. By now you've probably heard that the world's most successful people get up way too early to journal, meditate, maybe fire up their infrared sauna, and that's good for them. But is it good for you? My name is Josh Zimmerman and I'm a certified life coach that helps creators. You know, as a creator, you have a huge amount of freedom, and that is exactly why you need a morning routine. You don't have to wake up before dawn and you don't need to buy any fancy gadgets, but what you do need to do is you need to find a routine that works for you and stick to it. And here's why. Without a morning routine that lays out how you want to start your day, you don't have a roadmap. Whether it's the night before, laying in bed, or in the morning, you face the unknown. And the unknown causes anxiety. Anxiety causes stress, and let me tell you, that's not a great way to start the day. So morning routines help you build the guardrails to keep you on track. The routine guides you at a time when you have the most control, in the morning, before you let the world in. It's a key opportunity to set yourself up with habits that make you feel good. Building a morning routine is about creating small, obtainable steps. And here are some things that you absolutely have to do. Do wake up at the same time every day. I don't care what time it is, but it has to be consistent. Whatever you do not use your cell phone as an alarm clock. It's way too tempting to go down the rabbit hole of emails, notifications, and social media. Remember, you're putting up boundaries to avoid distractions. Make sure to protect your routine. Do make sure that it involves something that you can look forward to, whether it's meditating, reading, going on a hike. It's always about a form of self-care. Finally, make sure to move your body. It could be yoga, it could be jumping jacks, it could be pole dancing. Whatever it is, by moving your body, it gets those endorphins flowing. You feel good. It's normal that you will face some resistance from yourself. Like many things, it's easier said than done. So there is one final critical step, and that is accountability. Accountability comes from having support. Someone who reminds you when you've gone off route. Your support person is not only aware of the commitment you made to your morning routine, but they're also there to help you follow through. So excuses don't pull you off track. For some people, accountability is motivated by a consequence that ups the ante. So for example, if you miss even one day of waking up at the time you said you would, you have to donate to an organization that your values may not align with. And believe me, you're gonna wake up every day. So find the best way to hold yourself accountable. It's just as important as creating the morning routine. I'd love to hear in the comments down below what you thought of this video, and if you have a morning routine, how's it going? So make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell because I have more videos coming to you with more great tips, and I can't wait to see you next time.